You know what, guys, with our amazing machine, uh, as long as people try and experience on this amazing machine, when they step on that machine, you will feel something. I don't need to force people to have one. I just let them to ask me, Marlo, how could I get one? How could I have one of this? Because it helps a lot, guys. I'm not a doctor, but with this amazing machine, we call it a wellness machine. It helps a lot to our overall health. We need it, man. We need it for the blood circulation, especially those who are always sitting in their offices. You know, you know what I'm saying, like the circulation. And this machine has a detox function as well. So I said, wow, this is amazing. You know what is inside of this machine? There's a PEMF, pulse electromagnetic field, and terahertz. If you want to know more or do your own due diligence, go to ChatGPT. What is the benefits using this Therapy 90 of Olilife? And also, uh, Google it. It will pop up. Or you could just Google Olilife Toronto. You could see me there. So I have my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, Instagram as well, and my website www.marloesperon.com. All right, guys. Those curious, don't be shy. Don't hesitate to reach out. Reach out. 647-721-8884. Those who are in the Greater Toronto area, and to those who are a little bit far, we can connect. We can set a schedule just for you to try my our amazing machine. All right. Thank you, and a blessed Tuesday. Cheers.